Today our topic is mycoplasma. Mycoplasmal bacteria, they are also known as the molecules. They are the simplest and the smallest free living prokaryotes. Let us see about the important characteristics of the mycoplasmal bacteria. Cell wall is absent and plasma membrane forms the outer boundary of the cell. Due to the absence of cell wall, this organism can change the shape and they are pleomorphic. They are lack of nucleus and other membrane bound organelles. The genetic material is a single DNA duplex. Ribosomes are 70th step. They are unicellular, smallest non-motile and the prokaryotic organism. They may be rod-like, ring, spherical or the filamentous shape. The diameter is nearly 300 to 800 nanometer in diameter and vary in length from 3 nanometer to 150 nanometer. They are ultra filterable, that is, they can pass through bacteria proof filters. They require the sterol for their nutrition. They are also killed by the temperature of 40 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius in the 15 minutes. They do not produce the spores. They require sterol for the nutrition. They are usually resistant to the antibiotics like penicillin, vancomycin, and which the action of the cell wall. They are sensitive to the tetracycline. Habit and the habitat of the mycoplasma. They are parasitic one. More than 200 mycoplasma, like the bodies, are found to be associated with the sewage, plants, animals, insects, humus, hot water springs, and other high temperature environment. They have been found in the phloem tissues of the diseased plants. Mycoplasma pneumoniae infection. The pneumonia is a contagious respiratory infection that spreads easily through the contact with the respiratory fluids. It is infected the respiratory organs. The MP is also known as the walking pneumonia. It is spread quickly in the crowded areas such as schools, college campuses, and the nursing homes. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, moisture containing the MP reacts the bacteria that is released into the air. Uninfected people in their environment can easily breathe the bacteria. Upon 1/5 of all the lung infection that people develop in their community outside of the hospital are caused by the Mycoplasma pneumoniae bacteria. The bacteria can cause the bronchitis, chest colds, sore throats, and the ear infection as well as the pneumonia. A dry cough is the most common sign of an infection. Untreated or the severe cases can affect the brain, heart, peripheral nervous system, skin, and the kidneys. In rare cases also. How it spreads? Mycoplasmic pneumonia is spread from person to person. It is common for the bacteria to spread between the people who live together. They can spread through coughing or sneezing, which creates a small respiratory droplet in the air that contain the bacteria. Other people then breathe in the bacteria. Here we can look for the symptoms of the Mycoplasma pneumoniae. In general, the symptoms appear in the 1 to 4 weeks. This bacteria can cause several types of infection. The most common type of illness is tracheobronchitis. They are commonly known as the chest cold. Common symptoms of the chest cold include sore throat, fever and chills, slowly coughing, and headache, chest pain, and the shortness of breath. Complications like pneumonia infections can cause the following complications like serious pneumonia, asthma attacks, or new asthma symptoms, encephalitis, that is a swelling of brain, hemolytic anemia, that is too few red blood cells, which means the fewer cells to deliver the oxygen in the body, renal dysfunction, that is a kidney problem, and the skin disorders. Treatment. The first choice of the antibiotics for the children include the erythromycin, clarithromycin, azithromycin, and the azithromycin. The antibiotics prescribed for the adults include doxycycline, tetracycline, quinolones, such as the levofloxacin and the moxifloxacin. Prevention. Like many respiratory germs, Mycoplasma pneumoniae is spread by coughing and sneezing. Some tips to prevent the spread of Mycoplasma pneumoniae include cover your mouth and nose with a tissue paper when you are coughing or sneezing. Put your used tissue paper in the waste basket. Do not cough or sneeze your hands. Wash your hands often with the soap and water for at least 20 seconds. There is no vaccine to prevent the pneumonia infections. The diagnostic methods are culturing, ICT, ELISA, X-ray, CT scan and PCR. Thank you.